welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Kylie. Today is my vlog number 14 and I'm going to show you how to make my own version of cheesecake in a cup. Cheesecake, my old friend. How much do I love thee? The answer is a lot. But have you ever noticed how difficult it is to just stop at one piece when you have a cheesecake sitting in your refrigerator? Yeah, exactly. Well, I figured a way around that. This single serving cheesecake in a mug is not only a handy time saver, but it also keeps your portion size reasonable, provided you don't use a giant mug to make it in. This recipe can also be the foundation of any number of creative variations that you can dream up. You can substitute the graham cracker based on your favorite cookie, add fruit, chocolate, whatever your heart desires. Go for it! Let's start making it! Follow me! is the moment we've all been waiting for. Mmm, smells so good. Ooh, yeah! That's impressive. This is so gorgeous. The texture is so smooth, creamy, and so cheesy. And I love the base when it's so buttery. And I love the combination of cheese and strawberries. It's a perfect combination. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the big thumbs up and comment down below other things you want to see, and we'll make it happen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for good vibes. See you not tomorrow, but on the next day. Peace out.